Morning everyone. We are going to perform an activity today to show the presence of oxygen and nitrogen in the air. For this activity, we need some materials like water, a container, plate, a candle, a glass, one matchbox to light the candle. Now the procedure is step 1 is take a candle and place it on the plate. After that, fill the plate with water. Okay. Now after filling the plate with water, light the candle. After lighting the candle, invert the glass over the candle. After some time, the candle gets extinguished because the oxygen is used up. When the oxygen inside the glass jar is used up, the candle is extinguished. Also, the space occupied by oxygen inside the inverted glass becomes empty and the water rises up to this occupied space. We can clearly see here. The major part of the air left is nitrogen. Thank you.